When bad things happen to good people, have you wondered why? The quest to survival is to adapt and evolve. Species mutate, adapting to a changing environment. Human beings are blessed with an intellect to predict risks, plan ahead, and manage risk. Yet, still, no matter how good we do, things could go wrong. In this recollection, we shall reflect on this reality and how we could thrive, looking into how our psyche evolved and the role of spirituality to make it through. We will start this recollection by recalling the story of Job in the Bible. In this story, it says that God allows Satan to test Job's loyalty by bringing him misfortunes. He lost all his riches, family, friends, and influences. And then Job prayed, "Naked I came from my mother's womb, and naked I will depart. The Lord gave, and the Lord has taken away. May the name of the Lord be praised." Still, Satan was not contented and told God that once Job got afflicted and sick, he would curse God. And so God allowed Satan to afflict Job with painful sores from head to foot. People around Job thought that his afflictions were punishment from God. Still, Job did not curse God. But Job also got depressed and asked God why this was happening to him. He had negative self talk, wishing he was never been born, and even questioning God's kindness, wisdom, love, and justice. It isn't fair after being faithful and righteous, kind and merciful to others, thinking that God was punishing him, and for what? What wrong has he done? Now, let us pause for a while and recall one moment in your life when you experience a loss. Listen to this meditation, ponder every questions asked. Kailan mo naranasang nawala ang lahat ng sayo? Saan mo ito naranasan? Ano ang mga nangyari? Ano ang mga nawala? Ano ang naramdaman mo? Ano ang sinasabi nila? Ano naman ang sabi mo? Paano mo kinausap ang sarili mo? Paano mo kinausap ang Diyos? Ano ang sinabi mo sa Kanya? Now that we have recalled the most unfortunate experience in our life, try to read the book of Job and reflect how it relates to your experience. Another Bible story worth knowing is the story of Joseph, son of Jacob, and how he was betrayed by his brothers, sold, and he finds his way to Egypt. In both stories, Job and Joseph had dark moments, lamenting their experience of betrayals and how in their experience of darkness, questions God and had struggles with their faith. But both Job and Joseph shows resilience in their faith in God. The world is marked by a trickster playing with our faith. This was clear in the story of Job, where Satan played the role of the trickster. When something unexpected happens, how do we react? Do we rattle or do we play along with it? When the trickster arises, it is a call to be conscious of the reality of life. Do we allow this trickster to bring us down or to help us accept reality and move forward? Let the spirit of the jester awakens the mind to console the soul and to look at faith with jest and laughter. In both stories, it is telling us that God allows evil to happen. Your assignment is to examine your own story. Make a list of who were responsible for the bad things that happened to you and how you cope. For the meantime, let us end this first part of our recollection with a meditation, reflecting on the lyrics of the song Hiwaga, and see how mysterious our God is. Be that as it may, we let go, accept, and know that God never forsakes us, always here.
Ibigin man nating pigilin ang paglubog ng araw, ang marahang pagkain sa pisngi ng buwan. May mga bagay na di matanto at hindi mapigilan. Ibig man nating yakapin ang lawak ng dagat at sadyang hulihin ang pagkurap ng tala. May mga bagay na di mahuli at hindi masansala. Ngunit kahit ako'y lumayo, huwag ka sanang malungkot. Taglay mo pa rin ang aking pag-ibig sa iyo. ibigin man nating abutin ang dulo ng langit at ating hahabulin ang talim ng kidlat. May mga bagay na di mahabol laging isang hiwaga.